Hello kids, I am your teacher JOJO. Today we are going to read ET words. Let's begin. Et, pet. Again. Et, pet. Very good. Et, net. Again. Et, net. Very good. Et, vet. Again. Et, vet. Very good. Et, jet. Again. Et, jet. Very good. Et, vet. Again. Et, vet. Very good. Et, met. Again. Et, met. Very good. Et, get. Again. Et, get. Very good. Let's revise. Et, 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 et. Very good. Keep reading with me and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye-bye.